Hello everybody. So today we will learn about Espresso Test. So if you would like to see the different video about this application and the market code test, you got the information and the links in the description below. Okay, so first of all, this is the dependency what we need. Okay, for Mockito, or for the Mockito is for the previous video. Okay, so we need essentially this one, but you can place this. Okay, so let's place one more thing inside the for the button click. So if text utils dot is empty or the binding dot ed username dot get dot text. So let's show a toast. Oops. A is an enter name. So like this, and return set on click listener. Okay. So now let's create some method inside this package. So first of all, let's create the package utils, and let's create a new Kotlin class. Let's call it test utils, and inside the companion object. So oops, for the first one, so for the text view and set, so text in text view value string and view action like this, return object of view action. Let's implement all these methods like this. So for this one, return matches dot all of view matches dot is displayed, and view matches dot is assignable from text view dot dot class. Okay, for the description, so let's place return replace text, that's all. And for the last one, so view as text view dot, oh, let's delete this, not necessary. So dot set text, excuse me, we're on Kotlin, on Java, text equal value. That's it for this one. For the other one, so for the snack bar, so fun check snack bar displayed by message text, message string displayed this. Okay, so espresso dot on view matches dot with id this, so com dot google dot android dot material dot r dot id dot snackbar text, right, oops, dot check view assertions, where is it, this one, dot matches view matches dot with text. Okay, and message. That's it. So now go back to main activity at the top and alt insert to create a test. So that's it. We need setup and teardown. That's okay. We need to put this inside the Android test. Okay, right. So first of all, we need to run with gunit. Gunit for class, and for the rule, so rule this one, and GVM field, so var activity scenario rule, so activity scenario rule of main activity equal activity scenario rule main activity dot class. Okay, and a new one for the view, so private var decor view, so view and all. Oops, and let's import it. Okay, inside the setup, so activity scenario rule dot scenario dot on activity, so decor view equal activity scenario activity, so this, excuse me, so it dot window dot decor view. That's it. And now we would like at each time we start each methods test, so we'd like to clear the edit text of username and password. So for that, espresso dot on view matches dot with id, so or dot id dot the oops, let's import like this, so in the username, so dot perform, so view actions, this one dot clear text. Okay, and let's do the same for the password, so ed password. Okay, and for the teardown, so activity scenario rule dot scenario dot close. That's it. So now let's create the first test. So remember, we make another thing inside the on button click, that if the user forgot to place his name, we've gotten a toast message. Okay, so for that, so let's place test, of course. So and if user forgot to enter his name, show toast message, enter name. Okay, so inside this, let's place given when then, so val expected warning equal enter name. Okay, so when espresso dot on view dot view matches dot with id, so when we click on the button, so id dot with login dot perform dot view action dot clicked. Oops, clicked. That's it. And then So espresso dot on view dot view matches dot with text. So expected warning dot inroad with matches dot with decor view matches dot not and decor view and check view assertions. Where is it? View assertions like this dot matches dot view matches dot is display like this. So let's test it and let's have a look. Let's have a look. And it's done. Right. So now let's do the same for the snack bar message. So fun test if success not so snack bar message is showing when user name and user password are okay. So for that password there is a mistake like this. So let's put the given when then. So espresso dot on view dot view matches dot with id. So r dot id dot id username dot perform dot test utils. So be careful to use test util from your package. So dot set text dot. So let's have a look inside this. So we can put recalcap or Viking dev. Let's put recalcap. So recalcap. Okay. Let's copy and paste for the password. So let's put inside 123. So when espresso, when you click on the button, so on view matches dot with id and the button r dot id dot login dot perform dot view actions dot click like this and test utils dot check if we have success. So let's test it. So now let's do another test. So for the user, and if we add the user and not the password, so let's copy this and paste. Okay, so snack bar, also username, enter his name and not the password. Okay, so we don't need that, and we need error. So an activity view model. Oh, it's error connection. So let's copy and paste. So run, and it's done. Okay, so for the last one, let's copy and paste for when the user is not registered. So find username, enter his name, and not register. Okay, so for example, Harry, and I remember user known. Oh yes, user unknown. This one. Oh, so go back, and now it will be good. Like this. Right. So now you can use the Espresso to test your snack bar, and of course if you want to test your toast message. Okay, right. So see you soon, and bye bye.